User-generated content has the power to increase sales, brand awareness, so much so that 86% of millennials see user-generated content as a key indicator of a brand's quality in product and service. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria and I'm a marketer here at Wishpond, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find and effectively use user-generated content on Instagram. Now, user-generated content is content created by someone who sampled or used your products or services outside of your company or brand. And this could be an influencer or simply a customer. Finding user-generated content is fairly simple, and I'm going to show you 3 methods, as well as I'm going to show you how to effectively use it with real-life brand examples. So without further ado, let's begin. Here's how to find user-generated content on Instagram. Here are the 3 ways that you can find UGC on Instagram. Number 1, tags. Number 2, stories. Number 3, hashtags. I'm going to go through each example and show you on my screen how I find UGC using these 3 easy methods. Hey guys, so I'm on the desktop version of Instagram, looking on Wishpond's Instagram profile. Now, if you want to find all the images that you're tagged in, whether it's a brand or just a personal profile, you scroll down, you're going to see some tabs that say Post, IGTV, Saved, and Tagged. Now I'm going to select Tagged. Now in Tagged, you're going to see the people who have added your name or tagged you to a post. If you want your brand to be removed from the tag, you can simply just click the image and have the option to remove. Otherwise, you can just scroll through and see which images you actually like or you'd like to repost on your page. Now when you're looking for UGC content via Instagram stories, you're gonna have to wait until someone uploads a video or picture and they directly tag your account in that story. From there, Instagram will send you a notification, and you'll also see a direct message showing you the story where you've been mentioned, giving you the ability to repost or to respond in a private message to that person. Now for my next example of how to find UGC on Instagram, we're going to use the brand Preview app. They have a really strong hashtag strategy, and I think that'd be the perfect example of how you can use hashtags to find your own UGC. Now, Preview app is a brand that helps Instagrammers or businesses with Instagram to manage and plan their feed. They also have a branded hashtag. Now, if you're going to use hashtags to find your content, you have to use a branded hashtag. That way, you know the content is for you and you alone, or people are actually using your product, or they're trying to grab your attention. Now, if we copy that hashtag and we put it in the search bar, you'll see that, of course, Preview's post will come up. Now that we know how to find UGC, I'm going to show you how to use UGC effectively like a marketer. Now I'm going to use brands like Airbnb, Adobe Photoshop, Supergroup, and Xero, and show you how each of these individual brands have mastered UGC, using them to bring across their customer story and sell their products and services. Now we're going to look at Airbnb. Now Airbnb, most if not all of their content is UGC, and it's all pictures highlighting Airbnbs as well as the owners who own the Airbnb. You can click into their post and you can see that the account or the owner is credited, along with a very nice description of the area or the Airbnb. Now what this says about Airbnb is that they actually take the time to select the best images for their UGC. I know that sometimes a lot of brands will get a lot of UGC, a lot of people asking them to repost, but you still have to be mindful of the pictures that you post on your own page, because you want to make sure that your UGC reflects the best quality that your brand has to offer, and that's what Airbnb does. Now next up is Adobe Photoshop, and just like Airbnb, most of their content is UGC. If you check every single post, the artist is always tagged. Yes, sharing is caring, but brands also need to remember that tagging and giving recognition to that person is just as important. And now we have Xero. Interestingly enough, Xero is an accounting software, but if you look at their UGC content, it's highlighting the people that use their accounting software. It's put aside the sell mentality and instead focus on the stories of the people that they're helping, the volunteers, the efforts that they make, what their accounting software means to people that want to focus more on their business rather than accounting. I think that's a really powerful selling point as a brand. And last but definitely not least is the beauty brand Supergroup. Now, what makes this brand master its UGC so well is that it has a great content mix, where content is mixed with brand focus, industry focus, audience goals, audience interests, and a few customer reviews. And I think it's important to note that if you're gonna use UGC, you should try and have a healthy content mix to keep your audience interested and engaged. And I'll just do a quick recap of all the points that I went through with these brand examples, which is 1, pick the best user-generated content. Now, I know sometimes brands can get a lot of UGC, which is great, but remember, the UGC that you repost or curate on your page reflects your brand's quality and service, and also gives a first or last impression of that product or service. So you want to make sure that you select the best of the best. What you could do is that even if someone may share UGC, thank them. Let people know that you care about the fact that they went out of their way to tag you and to share their own content with you. Give credit where credit is due. When people share content, they want recognition for that content in whatever shape or form. And that could simply be tagging them in the post, reaching out to them, or just informing them that you're gonna share their content on your page. And when other followers see that you are showing the initiative to give credit, they're gonna be more likely or more susceptible to sharing that content with you, which brings more UGC to your way. And it also shows your brand is open to its community of followers and open to engaging. People love that. People love a brand that seems more human than machine. Thirdly, share stories. I know that we live in an era where we just sell, but people are more marketing savvy. They're used to being sold to, they're used to seeing ads. But when you share a story or an experience or even a lifestyle with that UGC, it encourages them to buy because they want to experience that for themselves. And even if they don't, they'll share it with other people, or it'll attract like-minded followers to build your buying community. And lastly, have a healthy content mix. You want to make sure that you're not doing too much of one thing. People notice when a brand has a well thought out content plan. They notice when you're mixing your content with interesting, intriguing, and engaging things that will make them want to share, like, and comment. And UGC is just a part of it. It's not all of it, but it's a portion of what you can do to encourage your community to engage with you and to buy from you. So remember, have that in mind when you're creating a content strategy. You want a healthy mix of industry, Q&A, testimonials, and UGC. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find and effectively use UGC on Instagram. Please like and subscribe, and also share this video with someone who you think might need it. We're gonna upload videos every week, so you can look out for it. So again, click that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and don't forget, comment below, let me know what you think, and share some of the brands you like or you think have mastered UGC on Instagram.